How to sign in to my Kohls card to make a payment. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Launch a browser and search for Kohls credit card and give it a search. Now in here, select Kohls credit card, apply now, apply for your card today. Ensure it is from the official website. You'll be redirected in this page where you will be able to register for a Kohl card if you are new to it. You have to enter your personal details to ensure yourself your very first Kohl card. Now, if you already have a card and if you want to log in, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the back arrow. Select the option of back to kohls.com. Now at here, tap on Sign In button at the top in the right hand side. You'll be redirected to a new web page. Now in here, to log in into your Kohls account, enter your email address that is linked to your account and tap on Continue. If you don't have one, you know the drill. And that is how you'll be able to log into your Kohls card. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.